Time.
Come over that local.
In the trees.
Coming over to our right. There you go. There you go. They went right over top of us.
Hit it. Coming back.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them.
Hold off on these two. Oh, there's three right there. There's two more to the right there. There's 6 of them up there.
Playing no games. There's 4 ducks to our left. Up high.
Oh yeah, here they come. They're locked.
3 of them coming in.
Hit them.
It's a scary call right there. Take.
Take them down. Don't let them land. No, fucking.
You guys got him.
Hold on.
Watch, he went right behind me. Okay.
I got him. I got him.
Probably is him. I heard a geese. Yeah, I hear geese out behind us somewhere. Oh yeah,
Here they come.
they are too.
Want me to call them?
No, relax.
I'll hit them with it.
They're either coming or they're not, Josh. Alright, stop doing that.
That's a good call.
Good, done. That's good. So just let them know we're here.
There you go.
Only one. Are we shooting as soon as they cross over? It's only one. Here he comes.
Where is he at?
Oh, he's
Is
right
he-
there. Let's fuck him up.
Is he low? I can't see him. He's turning. He's turning. He's turning. Ready?
This fucker, dude.
Oh!
Still alive. Whack him, guys.
Video you just watched, we went back to the honey hole, I guess we call it, where the first video was taken, and the ducks were there, but there's something in the spread that they didn't like. We added another mojo, and they were flying around, but they weren't landing. We only got 1 duck and a goose at the end of these saw, but we tried the 2-camera action. I had it a little far away, but we'll get a little better at it. But I did like it, the 2 cameras, so we'll getting better at these videos going forward. Other than that, we had a blast. It was raining all day, unfortunately, and I think we left Bama at home that day because of the rain. It was cold out. I don't know why. Hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more to come. We got another little video coming up. Then we got a snow goose hunt booked at the end of March. So like, subscribe, comment, answer, and we'll make it happen.